Hi, my name is Rodney Schmidt. I'm the Fire Chief and Director of Protective Services for the town of High Level. During the Chuckegg Wildfire, I was the Structural Protection Branch Director and Structural Protection Specialist in charge of structural protection for the incident. So that incident encompassed the town of High Level and Mackenzie County, as well as the areas around Dennytown First Nation, specifically around Bushy River, and some of the other First Nations communities, Paddle Prairie, Métis Settlement, basically the whole area that the Chuckegg fire encompassed. I'm going to talk a little bit about what was involved in structural protection. For us, the fire itself that started on May 12th really got underway for us on the 17th of May. That's really before the community was aware there was a danger and to the community, and on the 17th of May is when we assessed the fire and actually realized that this could pose a threat, not to just the town of High Level, but to other areas as well. And that's when we really started making, putting our plans into place for the protection of our communities. The town of High Level itself has a very extensive wildfire plan, and that plan was started to put into play on the night of the 17th, starting off with the protection of the Norbord plant, and then we moved on to the town of High Level and Tolko, as well as the homes in Mackenzie County immediately between the fire and the town. So part of that effort involved the buildup of resources and bringing in not just municipal fire departments, but sprinkler protection trailers and firefighters from across the province. Ultimately, over 40 different communities provided assistance to the town of High Level, as well as some fire department or fire service contractors to protect the town and the surrounding area. That involved many fire apparatus. Ultimately, over 600 firefighters attended over the course of 2 months that the structural protection effort took place across the region. Part of that involved not just putting a sprinkler protection line around the town of High Level, but sprinklering specific homes that were immediately in the danger area, as well as putting up protection and staging equipment at some of our key infrastructure areas like Tolko and Norbord. Part of that effort actually involved the fire smarting of homes in the fire's path. So for the town of High Level, that was 1,500 homes that got treated with things such as removing combustibles around from their home, removing propane tanks and gas cans away from the home, clearing of debris and brush around the homes, and some of them got treated with sprinklers, as I mentioned before. The ultimate piece of structural protection that saved the community was the coordination with Alberta Wildfire, and that coordination went on through the entire incident, but the first couple of weeks was where it was really key. The actual controlled burn of several hectares up to between the fire and the town of High Level was coordinated between Alberta Wildfire and the municipal fire resources that were here under my command. And that work that we did together and the planning we did together ultimately is what saved the town of High Level. So that's just a little tidbit of what happened on the structural protection portion of the Chuckegg Creek Wildfire.